How to turn $25,000 into a substantial return in real estate investing. I don't know if you know this, but 90% of all millionaires have become millionaires through real estate investing. That's a proven fact. It's out there in writing, College Investor magazine. Our forefathers have been telling you 90% of all millionaires have become millionaires through real estate. Look at Rockefeller, look at Vanderbilt. It's all from their real estate portfolios, which then led them into many, many different businesses. Why is that? Because you could take $25,000 and you could double your money in real estate, believe it or not. That is true. I've done real estate deals with no money down, and when you have money, it even makes it easier. Now, you have options to get a substantial return, but I want you to know that you can double your money in real estate. I've done it. I've made rate of returns of 400% on real estate. If you buy a property for $100,000 and you put $20,000 down and you wholesale that the next day or 30 days later for 120 grand, you've just made 20% in, let's say, 30 days. Do you know what that rate of return is? That rate of return is 240%. Because if that money was working for you for the year, it would be 12 times 20%. That's right. That's the returns that you can get in real estate when you start to understand it. And it just depends on what is a substantial rate of return for you. Think about what you get from the bank. A bank pays you less than 1%. If you invest in stocks, a lot of times you make 4, 6. If a stock hits, you could double your money. But you're rarely making double digits in stocks. Now, that may just be my opinion. I don't want to offend all you stock guys out there. Don't run for the hills. I'm talking about real estate. But real estate, I will tell you, my rule of thumb is if you can't make at least 10, 12% on your real estate, you shouldn't be in it. My criteria for real estate is 30%. That's a substantial rate of return. And what does that allow you to do? That allows you to syndicate that real estate out to other people and let them invest their money and get the double digits that we're talking about. Could you imagine letting an investor invest in one of your properties and earn 10% when you were making more than 10%? That's what real estate allows you to do. It allows you to make substantial rate of returns that if you don't have any money, you can put that deal together, syndicate it to an investor, have them put the money up, and guess what? You get the real estate for free. In some cases, you don't even use your money, but if you put that $25,000 in and the investor puts $75,000, let's just do a little mathematical example. If you have $100 invested, let's say $100,000, right? Because you're going to put $25,000 in. The investor puts $75,000. Let's say that investment pays back $100,000 and you guys are splitting the profits. You're getting $50,000, he's getting $50,000. He puts $75,000, he gets $50,000. That's almost a 75% return for that investor. He's going to be so happy. But guess what? You know what you make? Think about it. You're making $50,000 on $25,000. That's right. That's right. That's 200% return. If that's not a substantial rate of return, I'll eat my hat. You can't do that in a lot of other cases. It's hard to get that type of return in business. It's hard to get that return in the stock market, in my experience, because I'm not good in the stock market. You have people, traders, that do it all day long, and I respect them, and those are the guys that trade my stocks. I stay out of stocks. I like tangible assets, real estate, where you can create substantial returns. Now, $25,000. If I was going to invest it and I had a choice between the stock market and real estate, I would choose real estate because it's tangible, because you can do a substantial rate of return. And the beauty of that is you still have access to the money in the real estate because at any time you can bring in an investor to take you out. You do have the liquidity you need like the stock market in real estate, and it gives you the ability to get the substantial return, the liquidity, and the tangibility of being able to drive up and go, hey, that property is actually earning me money every month, and I love it. So I just want to tell you, if you have a choice and you're sitting there, how to invest your money, you can invest in a company, merger and acquisitions, you can do stocks, you can do real estate. Me being a real estate investor, I would recommend follow some of my steps in my financial freedom protocol and my modern wealth building programs. You can see all that stuff at kenvanliew.com and look at how you can invest $25,000 and make a substantial rate of return and follow the principles, become one of the 90 out of 100 people that become a millionaire in real estate. Make it a great day.